welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great sunshine state of Florida. Today we're gonna be going over two of the most used tool in my tool arsenal that I use all the time. So this week I'm going to start what's called a tool review Thursdays. So every Thursday I'll put out a little short video of the tools that I like, or the tools that I have in my inventory, and how I like to use them, or how they're used, especially if I have specialty tools as well. And if this is your first time checking out the channel, definitely tap that subscribe button down below, hit the bell icon for future notifications, and definitely share, like, and comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what tools you want to see me go over, or if you just want to see how many tools I have over there in my toolbox. I have 3 different toolboxes, and I have another one. Let me see if you can see it. Then I have another, wrong way, right there. That's another one. Then I have another big stainless steel toolbox. So let's get into today's video. So these 2 tools right here are the most used tools in my arsenal. I didn't think I would like them as much as I did, especially, coming from Air Tools. But it's the 14-4. I'll give the full product, whatever it's called, the product number in the description below. It's a snap-on 3/8, and I have the little magnetic base on it. So if I'm working underneath a car or something like that, what I could do is I just put it on there and it holds on. Even, let me see, put it on here and it holds it upside down. I have them on this one too. So that way, if I'm working on something and I need some quick hands or something place to put it, I just put them up on the magnet or wherever it may go. So with this, it actually have a good break-in torque of everything that I would need with this. Also, I have the little rubber protective boot on this one to help protect it. I usually wipe them down with some brake clean every time I'm done with them, as much as I can. But I use it on everything on the engines that I have. So this the Volvo engine, another Volvo engine, 2JZ. So I use it on everything. As you can see, it's moving in my hand. It got pretty good torque. It could break anything that I want. Also, this ratchet. I didn't think I was gonna like this ratchet as much as I did. As I said, I'll put the part number up on it. You could get them from your local Snap-on guy, or even your Snap-on truck, or you could get them online. Also, this one is a 3/8. I have a 1/4-inch drive, but I have a Matco one. But I also like that one, but I think I'm gonna go with the Snap-on one to kind of keep it all in the same family. Like example, so I have this bolt right here. I believe it's a 12. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a 12 socket. Nope. This is a 12. Nope, 13. Just a 12 socket. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it on here. And then all you have to do is, you don't have to push the buttons. That's what I really don't like about the Matco one. You have to push it for reverse, or push it, or if you're set up a certain way, you're gonna have to take your hand off the trigger, push it through, or push it the other way, or you may not, have the dexterity to do it. So with this, that's just reverse, and then the top is forward. So with this, bolt is on there pretty tight. I said it's, on the engine block. Look at that. Easy peasy, just like that. So I definitely think you guys should grab you a set of battery operated tools. I believe they're the way of the future. I know, everybody have their preference. There's Matco, Milwaukee, Gear Wrench, but me personally, I just like the Snap-on brand. I think it's a good quality, and also it comes with a warranty, limited warranty, and I could just take it to my guy on the truck and then get everything replaced when needed. But yeah, but that's the dirty quick video. Oh yeah, one more thing. It has lights, so you can kind of see where you're going. Even this one as well. It has a light so you can see the bolt or the nut or whatever you're trying to take off. This one's pretty bright. Let me see here. Let me see how bright. Let me unplug this light. I'll turn this off. And then I'm just gonna show you over here, we're hitting the button. You could just hit the button as well without turning it on, and then the light comes on. So it's pretty bright enough for what you may need in a pinch, so you could see the bolts that you're working on. And then the same thing with the ratchet. Of course, the ratchet more directional to the wherever you need it. So I think that's pretty good as well. So let me plug this back in. Turn on back my aviation light. But yeah, that's the first video of the tool review Thursday. I said all the description will be below of everything that you need, part numbers, prices. May even put the part numbers on the screen so you don't have to go into the description to see it. But I like these. I'm not necessarily a Snap-on fanboy, but I do like Snap-on, and I also like Matco, but I just like tools in general. Again, if this is your first time checking out the channel, please hit that subscribe button down below, bell icon, like, share, and definitely comment down below. And once again, thanks you guys for watching the videos. I said this is my first tool review Thursday, and I'll keep them coming, and I'll get you some more tools and also show you some one-off tools that I have to work on specialty vehicles like Volvos and BMWs and stuff like that. But again, guys, thanks for watching the videos. Peace.
Never at ease, I don't know a limit. Chasing a dream, I don't know what sleepers. I got a queen, she lit me the evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. I'm well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage of doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat.